Once I dreamed of living where the shimmering sun rose from the endless sea, where each day would begin with tranquility. I imagine the sounds of the ocean surf rolling in to meet the widest expanse of white-washed beach. And then at last, I found the spot, amidst a busy world. A place to be calm, a place to be wild. Miles of beaches. Mother Nature's gift to those who love the vagabond feel of sand against bare feet and the invigorating kiss of salt spray. Palm Beach County, like a magic web, is woven together with hundreds and hundreds of miles of waterways, placid lakes, picturesque rivers, and canals that stretch from the majestic Atlantic to the great Lake Okeechobee. A place for a sailor to move in the sun and wave a jaunty sail or leave a friendly wake. Vast and mysterious Everglades challenge with 500,000 acres of hunting paradise and 700 square miles of Lake Okeechobee rich with panfish and bigmouth bass. Palm Beach County anglers are known to swap unbelievable tales. It's been said that a truly dedicated fisherman could hope to catch almost anything, including maybe even the great white whale. I've discovered a place where 1 minute you can be standing lazily fishing in the surf, and the next, putting on the green. More than 50 beautiful, challenging golf courses, including the national home of the PGA. Here, weekend golfers get a chance to pick up pointers from the real pros, and then try their luck. This beautiful green country is every golfer's dream. But for those who have other ideas about recreation, there's a chance to exercise every mood. Palm Beach County has been carefully planned to give you all the action you can handle, or let you just sit back and relax in places like the magnificent auditorium, where stars provide the thrills. action in the spring brings in two fine teams, the Atlanta Braves and the Montreal Expos. Palm Beach County is also treated to exciting action at the Royal Palm Polo Grounds. This 25 centuries old sport is still popular today. This is a great and productive land with opportunities not yet dreamed and riches not yet made. And there's work to be done. Exciting new industries that help launch our astronauts. Companies where research is being probed, ideas weighed. Organizations where imagination is rewarded. New sciences that are conquering the last frontier. Oceanographers making history on the ocean floor. We have a deep sea port that welcomes cargo, tankers, and tourist trade. And that's not all. This is the largest sugarcane producing county in America. We can also brag about black gold, the richest soil on earth. Because with all our natural beauty and ocean lure, agriculture is our largest industry. Yellow gold, too. Citrus by the groves. A vacation paradise? Why, more cattle graze here per acre than virtually anywhere else in this great land. Horses respond to our climate, too. Del Rey has become a leading center for breeding and training thoroughbred greats. I guess part of the tranquility I've found here is in the beauty of color, like miles and miles of flowers in great nurseries. But beyond that, there's a different kind of peace to be found in the fact that here, churches and temples look like places of worship and offer refuge and a chance to catch your breath and revive your faith. In every way, living here or visiting for a short stay, there's something magic about this place. Everything designed to make the most of living, the way you want to live. A nostalgic mixture of old and new. Shopping is unique. From the largest undercover mall in the South to picturesque Boca Raton to the international flavor and charm of Worth Avenue on the beach. Atmosphere is as important here as gourmet dining and endless choice of menu. And Palm Beach County after dark? Take your pick. Royal Poinciana Playhouse features hit Broadway plays and musicals with top stars from the legitimate stage. Palm Beach County has long been recognized as a cultural center with something to inspire every age and taste. Enjoy magnificent art and admire world-famous collections. Stroll knee-deep in sculpture and then capture the elegance and beauty of Florida's early pioneer days. And maybe even more important, an opportunity to get close to nature's precious gifts in many wondrous ways.
By a substance inside the enamel. The large chart in the center before you shows a family tree of mammals. Each animal, which is painted in true color.
Lion Country Safari. No place else in the world but Africa itself are wild animals roaming free in their natural environment. Rare and beautiful wild animals being preserved from extinction in the first African game preserve ever established in the United States. Palm Beach County, Florida. No matter how you get here, you will never want to leave.